Hey guys, my name is Bharti Puri and today in this video I had to recreate this eye makeup look because a lot of you on Instagram asked me to make a tutorial, so I thought why not kill two birds with one stone by making an IGTV video and at the same time posting the same for my YouTube channel as well, so that you guys, if you are interested on this particular makeup look, how to achieve this, just then please continue watching. And at the same time, don't worry, I'm not going to be posting like frequently of this kind of video format. It's just, I'm filming for my IGTV, so I thought why not kill two birds with one stone, and post it on my YouTube channel as well. So yeah, please continue watching if you are interested to watch. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. It would really mean a lot to me. And don't worry, I'm not going to be posting this kind of a video format regularly, just once in the blue moon kind of a thing. So yeah, just continue watching. Take care, you guys.
So the first thing I like to start with is some primer. So this one is by NYX Cosmetics brand. It's the Total Control Drop Primer and I really like it. Feels very lightweight on the skin. So I use this all the time whenever I need to do my base makeup. And then I like to use the Body Shop drops of Glow liquid highlighter just to give myself that natural glow using this liquid highlighter. And as you can see, it makes my whole face look glowy. So I like to apply this only around my cheeks, and then I like to go for the eyebrows using the Sleek Eyebrow Kit in dark brown shade. So I'm just brushing my eyebrows, and then I'm just using a Real Techniques lip brush just to pack on the eyebrow product. And as you can see, the before and after of my eyebrows. I usually like to skip foundation, so in this tutorial also I'm not going to be packing on foundation, but I will be applying concealer for covering my dark circles and my acne marks. And I'm using the LA Girl Pro Concealer, HD Concealer, and a Wet Beauty Sponge by WISESHE brand. So I'm using both of these, and as you can see, I just like to highlight around my T-zone and then use the Wet Beauty Sponge just to blend out the concealer and make it look all naturally well blended. And even though I'm skipping liquid foundation, I will still be applying powder foundation. So I will be setting my liquid concealer, whatever I've applied, using this powder foundation by NYX Cosmetics brand. And it's one of my favorite powder foundation. So a little goes a long way, and I'm just setting my whole face and neck using this powder foundation. And once I'm done with that, I will move on to the eye makeup. So for the eye makeup, I'm using Lid Lingerie liquid eyeshadow in shade called Lidli. I'm using this as a base first, and I'm using a Real Techniques eyeshadow brush just to blend that out, and then I'm using another clean eyeshadow brush just to blend out the harsh lines around the eye area, as you can see. And once I'm done doing that, I will move on to the purple base. So for the purple base, I will be using a liquid lipstick. Yes, you heard it right. So I'll be using a liquid lipstick by the same brand called NYX Cosmetics. It's, as you can see, it's a very vibrant purple, neonish purple shade of liquid lipstick from their liquid Suede range by NYX. And I'm just applying a very tiny bit first, and I'm going to be using a smudging eyeshadow brush just to smudge that out, and slowly I'll build up the color. Even though it dries down on when you apply it on the lids, it's still going to feel slightly creamy. So that's why I will apply another trick for achieving this eye makeup look. But first, as you can see, I'm just taking my time and blending out the harsh lines. As you can see, it's well blended, so I'm going to move on to the next eye and just doing the same thing. And once I'm done applying this, I will be applying the same color family of powder highlighter. So for the powder highlighter, I will be using Makeup Revolution brand of highlighter palette. And as you can see, the purple shade over here, this one, so I'll be using this using my index finger and just dabbing it on. And as you can see, as I'm using the very purple base and then the same color family of powder highlighter on top, it really works very well together. And later on you're going to see, right now it looks slightly silverish kind of purple, but later on it blends very well with the base color of the same family. So I really like mixing up colors and experimenting, and I am really happy how this eye makeup turned out to be. Since I'm done with the eye makeup, I will be now using mascara. So I'm using the Benefit Bang BadGal mascara. And first I'm gonna apply this, and then after that I will move on to falsies, because I feel with this kind of makeup look, falsies is very important to complete it. So I'm using the Ardell Lash Glue, and this particular falsie style I've double stacked it actually of Ardell Demi Wispies Lashes. So I've double stacked it, so it gives that natural wispy eye makeup look. So I really like that whenever I double stack this particular falsie styles. So yeah, since I'm done now applying falsies, I will move on to lipstick. So for the lipstick, I'm applying Wet n Wild Megalast lipstick, and this one is one of my favorite brown nude shade. It's like a creamy matte formula. And then I'm applying some of the same highlighter which I applied on my eyelids around my cheekbones, and then just around the nose, and I'm just like all glowy now, as you can see. And voila, the makeup is done. So guys, the makeup look is done. I hope you really like this tutorial, and if you do, then please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below what you think, and if you like this kind of format, do let me know. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Take care, you guys.